It's so bad we lost a lot. Donut. I think this will give me indulgence because the cookie gave us powers earlier. Hom yum yum. Hom yum 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 num 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 num. After eating the wonderful, powerful donut. I guess I'll test my battle powers out on the next battle we have. Oh, I lost my wonderful armor. Well, what was the last battle, men? We sucked at it. Okay, that's true. But we gotta plot more enemy attacks. Yeah. So, now what? Maybe we should reclaim my hat? That'll give us something to do. Surely. Now what? I seriously have no idea. Well, I'm gonna go get my hat back, you fat man! That's your no. God, I fell. Half. My hat! Nobody messes with the chalk. Wee! Wow! 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 How haven't I not fall off yet? This is bougus. Let's go. Hold right there. Oh no! Guys, help me. Guys. Wait, are these babies even on Joey? I don't know, Carl. Let's test it. Working. Hey, is everything alright back there? Oh my god, I think we're gonna get captured. You're under arrest. No. We're not going down without a fight. Yeah, that's right. Who are you guys, Team Rocket? They sound like it, Joey. Yeah, I think they are. You're idiots. Die! Houston! Yeah. We have a problem! Looks like we won. Jeepers, guys! What is it, fat guy? Don't make me explode. Is that bombs thing? You're right, party foul. Shut up! Okay. Yeah, as I was saying, a huge wave of them is approaching! But I'll take them all off in really good cutscenes. Wah ha ha ha. Time to bring in the superpowers.
Snorkel can't stand electricity. Snorkel hates satellite. Snorkel never wish satellite exists. Snorkel is depressed. Snorkel can't swim. Snorkel gonna drown. Oh my god.
Hold me, Ducky Momo. I think I'm a murderer. What kind of name is Snorkeler if you can't swim? Let's just get on to the boss. Just as we should have thought. Dark Porky. Because I am Prince Porky. I have returned. But this time, I am dark. That's not going to make any difference. Because we still remember your weakness. Oh yeah? Let me hear it. What's his weakness again? This could take a while to remember. Well, anyway, my turn, because you birds sucked at your first turn. Because my piggies easily destroyed you. Just die, Chuck. Nothing can stop me. Your turn, Porky, again, because you're out. Ow! 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 I'm down too. You know what? I am going to easily destroy you. Take that. No, you take that. Oh yeah, Porky, you're going down.
Snorkeler, easily destroy all. Snorkeler, defeat the boss. Snorkeler, #1 pig.
You take that. No, you take that.
Snorkeler, get it.
Whoa, dodge.
Oops. Snorkeler hates all. Snorkeler, never #1.
Oh, I remember your weakness. Oh, that? That was Justin Bieber. Ha. You little noob. Haha. You little noob. I was able to knock you down. What? Did you just sneeze? No! No! What have you done? You've infected me with the bird flu. Oh no, the pain, it hurts. Hey guys, I did it. Yay! We won! Stupid snorkeler. Well, team, this causes for a wonderful, wonderful, relaxing vacation at the Hawaiian Islands. Isn't that where former pig went, aka Reginald? Ah, nuts.